Heyo and welcome to my number 3 vlog. Yeah, so last time we took from my warehouse, and this time we again gonna come back here and talk about some stuff. First new is what I got robbed. Yeah, so you probably remember last time I told what there is a very big chance to get robbed because this building is first of all in the countryside. Second, there's not a lot, but there is alcoholics, like hardcore alcoholics, homeless people around. So it's very big chance that they can come to like this place to do some thief job. Yeah, so I got robbed. Nothing from inside. It was actually from the cars. I'm not afraid to tell this on YouTube because this things is like actually obvious. Like you can drive past the building and you're gonna see like everything what you see right now on the camera. Yeah, so that's the reason I'm not afraid to tell you, but I need to do some stuff. First of all, I need to clean the cars. When I was moving from my last workshop, I was very much on the rush, and I put at the parts whatever I see. That's why you see everything is here is very messy, and in my old cars was put at many parts, tools and so on. Part of them is already gone, but it's no worries. I have it in mind. I only can blame myself, and that's it. Yeah, so moving on, my plans. So protect this building and start to cleaning and so on.
it's too cold.